Hello kids! First we are going to learn the colors. Green color, red color, purple color, pink color, yellow color and blue color. Now let's learn the shapes. Triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon and square. Now this is triangle. What is this, kids? This is triangle. Now this is circle. What is this, kids? This is circle. And this is heart. What is this, kids? This is heart. Now this is star. What is this, kids? This is star. Now this is pentagon. What is this, kids? This is pentagon. Now this is square. What is this, kids? This is square. Now we put the color. This is blue color. Triangle. Now this is circle, yellow color. This is heart, red color. This is star, purple color. This is pentagon, light green color. And this is square, pink color. What we learn? We learn triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon and square. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.